Listing all local branches. Git branch. This command lists all local branches in your repository. Additional useful options to show remote tracking branches too. Show branch history and commit info, and show branches with their merge status. Creating new branches. Git branch name. Creates a new branch but doesn't switch to it. Useful variations to create branch from specific commit and create branch from specific remote branch. Git checkout b new branch name or git switch c new branch name. Creates and immediately switches to a new branch including the old way checkout. The new way switch recommended. Create from specific commit and create from remote branch. Switching between branches. Git checkout branch name, old method. Important note, this command can be dangerous if you have uncommitted changes, as Git will warn you about potential conflicts. Git switch branch name, newer method. A safer and more intuitive way to switch branches. Advantages of switch. 1. Clearer intent, you're switching, not checking out. 2. Better error messages for uncommitted changes. 3. Less likely to accidentally create new branches. Switching with additional options including switch and reset working directory to match branch and switch, and set upstream tracking. Merging branches. Git merge branch name. Combines changes from the specified branch into your current branch. Types of merges. Fast-forward merges. Occurs when the current branch is a direct ancestor of the branch being merged with characteristics 1. No merge commit is created. 2. The branch pointer simply moves forward. And 3. Clean history, no merge artifacts. Three-way merges. Occurs when branches have diverged and Git needs to create a merge commit with characteristics. 1. Creates a merge commit. 2. Preserves history of both branches. And 3. Useful for tracking when changes were merged. Merge strategies.
Subscribe and share the video for more.
Deleting branches. Git branch debranch name. Safely deletes a local branch. With safety features, 1. Only deletes if the branch has been merged into the current branch. And 2. Prevents accidental deletion of unmerged work. Git branch debranch name. Force deletes a local branch, even if not merged. Warning, use with caution as this permanently deletes unmerged changes. Deleting remote branches. Git push origin delete branch name. Deletes a remote branch. Advanced branch operations. Creating and switching with branch tracking. Create branch and set upstream, remote tracking, and set upstream after creation. Renaming branches. Rename current branch and rename specific branch. Listing branches with additional information. Show all branches with last commit info. Show remote tracking information and show branch size and other statistics. Best practices and tips. 1. Always verify before deleting. Use Git branch v to check if a branch is merged before deletion. 2. Use descriptive names. Branch names should clearly describe what work they contain. 3. Keep branches small and focused. Each branch should address one specific issue or feature. 4. Regular cleanup. Remove merged branches to keep the repository clean. 5. Use switch instead of checkout. For new projects, prefer Git switch for clarity. Full working Git example. Let me walk you through a complete, step-by-step Git workflow with actual commands. Step 1. Initialize the repository. Create a new project directory. And initialize Git repository. Step 2. Set up initial project structure. Create basic files for our restaurant website. And add and commit the initial files. Step 3. Create a feature branch. Create a new branch for our menu feature. Now we're on the feature branch. Head points to this branch. Make changes to add menu functionality. Add and commit the changes in the feature branch. Step 4. Continue working on feature. Make more changes to our menu and commit these changes. Step 5. Work on another feature. Switch back to main branch to start working on something else. Create another feature branch for reservations. Add reservation functionality and commit this chain. Step 6. Return to menu feature. Switch back to menu branch to continue working. Add more menu items and commit the additional changes. Step 7. Test and merge menu feature. Switch back to main branch, check what branches exist and merge our completed menu feature into main. The main branch now includes all our menu changes. View the updated main branch. Step 8. Continue working on reservations. Switch back to reservations branch. Add more reservation functionality and commit this change. Then merge reservations into main. Step 9. View final result. See the complete history. Check what our final website looks like. Step 10. Create a bug fix branch. Discover there's a bug in our menu missing closing tags. Fix the HTML structure. Commit the fix and merge the bug fix back to main. Can you answer the questions? Listing all local branches. 1. What does the git branch command display by default? 2. How can you see both local and remote tracking branches in one list? 3. What information does git branch v show that regular git branch doesn't? Creating new branches. 4. What is the key difference between git branch feature /new UI and git checkout b feature /new UI? 5. How can you create a new branch from a specific commit using the git branch command? 6. Why would you use git switch, C, with a branch name that already exists? Switching between branches. 7. What are the main advantages of using git switch over git checkout? 8. What happens when you use git switch force create branch name? 9. How do you set up upstream tracking when switching to a new branch? Merging branches. 10. Under what conditions does git perform a fast forward merge? 11. What is the main difference between a fast forward merge and a three-way merge? 12. Why would you use git merge no ff instead of allowing fast forward merges? Deleting branches. 13. What is the safety mechanism built into git branch D that prevents accidental deletion? 14. When would you use git branch D instead of git branch D? 15. How can you delete multiple branches in one command?